Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making dried pumpkin leaves, which is one of those simple traditional Malawian dishes that many of us grew up eating. So I started by chopping my onions, then tomatoes, and I decided not to use any spices for this because I wanted that natural homemade taste that feels more like traditional food. And then I proceeded to clean the vegetables, and I had my pot of boiling water. Then I proceeded to add some salt in the water, and then added in the vegetables, and then added in the onions, tomatoes, and I was going to add, I also added some groundnut flour. I was looking for that rich, creamy flavor. Yeah. And then I let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Honestly, guys, growing up, drying vegetables was one of those something that was almost done in every family. During certain seasons, the fresh vegetables were very hard to find, so our mothers and grandmothers would preserve pumpkin leaves by drying them. Yep. And then after letting them cook for 10 to 15 minutes, as you can see, I had to taste them just to check if they were ready, and then I had to let them sit as well for another 10 to 15 minutes, and then that was it. The food was ready, and of course I paired it with Nsima because honestly it just doesn't feel complete without Nsima. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Your support means a lot to me and encourages me to keep sharing more Malawian dishes and the stories behind them. Until next time, it's a bye from me.